That being said, because they're going to carry people, to your point, Nadia, they're going to have to be certified just like airplanes are. And
Exactly.
that's a really big difference, because certifying these things for the regulatory agencies is brand
Hmm.
new. I mean, they know how to certify an airplane. They know how much runway it takes to take off. They know
Hmm.
how much time it takes before it leaves the ground. These things, they go straight up. Like there's no precedent for that, other than looking at helicopters,
Yeah.
and which is what they're kind of trying to mimic right now. But they're not helicopters, because they go up and then they fly like an airplane. Because they're most of them are winged vehicles, and the
Yeah, I
idea that you
think
have tilt rotors. I mean, it's a whole new thing.
yeah, I think you're absolutely right, because especially the regulators, they've been regulating the aviation industry for a long period of time, and they are very comfortable with what they've been doing, right? So if you look at aviation industry, nothing has much changed since 60s and 70s, except for a
Well, it's
few
almost like
things
saying,
like
okay, you're doing aviation, now we want you to regulate football.
yeah, yes, and that's the problem, right? The comfort level that they have. I think there are two things, right? One is that the comfort level they have is that, oh, this is just like other aviation, no problem. We can regulate that. We'll do it, no worries. And then on the other hand, they really do not understand the technology, how it is different.
Well, even to add to that, there are also flying cars they have to
Yes,
regulate. Literally flying cars, like
absolutely.
Samsung Sky, for example, has something called the Switchblade, and they have a vehicle that'll travel like 150 miles an hour on the road. Then you take off and you're flying at 150, 170 miles an hour in the air. You
Yeah,
land in an airport, the wings fold in, and then you're in a car again.
yeah,
And that's a very real thing, and that has to be regulated for the air, and it has to be
and
regulated
for the
by
land.
for the road.